Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional on Sunday. Yes, it's actually Sunday. We have no newspaper, so it's the newspaper of the yesterday's edition. Saturday, August the 27th, 2022. We have two puzzles left. The first puzzle I've done is the letter Sudoku, and we have two puzzles left. There's Two Stars Sudoku and the Tectonic with 1 star. But it's time now for the Sudoku with 2 stars. And this will be number 5086. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. Alright, one less than the previous Sudoku. Well, previous Sudoku has letters. You will need more time to solve them with digits. 26 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a lot of pairs or a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time for solving that puzzle. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Two missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this big square. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9. It goes there. Alright. Then. 4 missing letters. 5 missing digits in this big square. 2 of those missing digits are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this row, so no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 5, 8, 7. Alright. Then. 5, 8, 1, 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in the second column, so no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5. It goes there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in the third row, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6 in this third row, so no 6 there. Here 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. In the third row, one of the missing numbers is 3. Well, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 in the third row should be here or there. Here or there. We see a 3, another 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are not used. Nope. Missing 1, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Sometimes you need to count those using digits. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. Come on, the next number. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Well, we have a 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in the third row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Wait. Then. 298, 298, 298, 298. No. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, let me mark those 2 boxes, 8 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, first column. 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see here 5 in this row, first row, so no 5 there. Here 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 5. Okay. Then 2, 8, 4. Well. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in the Middle row, so no 4 there, 4 should be there. Now I can count, and all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 4. Wait. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this first column for number 1. 1 box left in the third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Alright. These 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there, 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there, 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So that so in the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8 and 9. Now we have a 9 here in this row. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be an 8. Then. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2. Is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2 and a 9. Now we have a 2 here in the first row. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 9 here in the first row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8 and a 9. Now we have a 9 here in the first row. So this box can be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. And this box should be an 8. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the first row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well. 2 stars. I'm faster than the 50 minutes, so let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today on Sunday. Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.